So here is the toy motorcycle. So there's a switch for it, off and on. There's a license in the back. There's the number 86. There's a person riding a bike, and it says Superior 1938 Rock and Roll 86 Special. And here's the remote control for it. So this is to go straight. This is to turn. Here's the red light on the top. And I wonder what this button does, but we'll find out later. So that's the toy motorcycle that I got for Christmas. Or actually, I got this motorcycle on Three Kings Day. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.